So today we want to tell the residents of Isiolo that we've come to an agreement, that we have finally met and had a conciliation meeting. We issued a strike notice to the county government of Isiolo on the 2nd of June 2026. But today I am happy to report that we've come to an agreement with the county government. They have committed to address the issues we raised in our strike notice as KMPDU, and these issues range from the issue of promotion to the issue of salary delays, and then we go to the issue of the medical cover, short staffing, head count regularization, non-victimization after going back from the strike, and all other issues that pertain to the welfare of doctors working in the Isiolo County.
We have undertaken to consider and implement the promotions within the next 1 month. These will be effected as we've discussed. I therefore once again want to call our doctors to feel free to come back to our facilities and take care of our patients, take care of our clients, as this has taken a long time.
I'm very thankful because we as labor officers, our work is to see there is best in labor practices. We are guided by Employment Act 2007, Labor Relation Act, and the Constitution 2010. So it is my wish and my prayer that whatever we have discussed, whatever we have signed in this return to work formula to be implemented within the time frame, because an agreement without a time frame is now void.
We have agreed to agree, and we said, for the interest of the people of Isiolo, let us work together and support the hospitals. So the doctors, we believe, will go back to work tomorrow, 21st of August, and go back to the service and serve our communities and uphold professional ethics as required of them. And us on our side, as county government, we shall ensure that their rights are taken care of.
Calling off the strike, and this has been, it has taken us a long journey, for almost 3 months. The doctors they had their demands, and as a county government, we have met all their demands, and some which are not yet we are in the process of sitting down and finishing that whatever we have to do. And our request is to see doctors back in their place of work.